Tetelas are really fun because they're referential to the shape of a mountain. The name tetela actually comes from Nahuatl, basically translates to the place of many hills. Tetelas are stuffed. You can really put anything inside of a tetela. I'm just gonna show you how to make a tetela. I'm gonna make a golf ball sized ball. This is a plastic liner that I cut directly from a produce bag from a grocery store. I've got one on the bottom and I'm gonna put the other one on the top. And the reason we do this is so that your masa doesn't actually stick on the plates when you open it back up. And we've transformed our masa ball into a tortilla. Now, this is where it kind of gets really fun. I've got my stuffing here. In this case, it is black beans. And I'm gonna do a little dabble. I'm gonna kind of evenly get the surface here across the center half. We're gonna shape this into a triangle. So I'm gonna use this tortilla, if you'll notice, is still on that bottom liner piece of plastic. That's actually gonna really help me kind of maneuver it without it breaking in my hands. And if it's not looking perfectly like symmetrical, that's okay. You know, the goal is really to contain all of these ingredients. We have 3 raw tetelas ready to go, and we're gonna put it on a medium preheated comal. We have a pretty thin tortilla, so it really shouldn't take that long. Everything that's in the inside has already been cooked. I like personally my tetela to have a nice little bark on the outside, which basically is sort of like a crust, like a harder crust, with that nice molten center contrast of the beans. It's just a really nice, just a nice good bite. And I'm gonna flip these after 2 to 3 minutes. I kind of like to flick my tetela a little bit to hear what kind of sound it makes. If the outside has created a bark, it'll kind of hear like a hollow sound in the center.